Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the RTC battery and speaker cables for later replacement. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Disconnect the speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the RTC battery cable from the routing channel on the speaker. Remove the retention tape that secures the speaker cable to the top cover and remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the four 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.